Hi.
Hi.
Just want to tell you a couple of jokes. How many people here remember gas attendants?
Gas attendants. Yeah.
People with pump for gas. There's a couple of older folks taking a trip, and they went to a gas station, and the gas attendant comes up to the car. Now, she drives, she sees well, she can't hear. And, well, he can't see very well, but he hears very well. And so he does the password. They pull to the gas pump, and the gas attendant comes up and says, "What can I do for you?" She looks over to him, to her husband, and says, "What do you say?" He wants to know what we fill her up. He knows up. So he goes pumping the gas. He looks in the back seat and he sees suitcases and he says, "Taking a trip?" She looks over. "What do you say?" He wants to know if we're taking a trip. He yells. So she's pumping this. "Where are you going?" "What do you say?" He wants to know where we're going to Tennessee. Tennessee, the gas attendant's pumping. Tennessee. "You know," he says, "I met the meanest, rockest woman. She was from Tennessee." She goes, "What did he say?" "He thinks he knows your sister." I like this guy a lot. Don't you think? This means something. I do have another joke for you. But I got stage fright. Young man's riding his moped. Texas. Going down to the corner store, 50 miles from his house. And he drives up to the corner store on his moped. And he comes across this mule, Mercedes-Benz. And he's sitting on his moped. And he's looking. Wow. Just about that time, Tex comes out with his Slim Jim and Diet Pepsi. And he walks over. And the young boy backs up. And that's Tex in his car. Boom! He goes back up and he says, "Sir," says, "this is the nicest car I've ever seen in my whole life." Tex says, "Boy, you got great taste. Thank you very much." I was going to do a spit. And he drives off. Now Tex is driving down the road, and he looks in his rearview mirror. I'm going to put you down. Don't be scared of it, right? Tex looks in his rearview. Oh, hi. Looks in his rearview mirror and sees this little spot. It's bigger and bigger and bigger, and boom! Goes right by. Boom! Goes by again. Boom! Boom! What is going on? He sees it getting slammed on his brakes, and he blocks the road with his big Mercedes carrier, and here comes the kid on the moped. He says, "Sir, how'd you get that moped to go so fast?" He says, "Sir, can you kindly unstrap my suspenders from your side?" I tell you, yeah, brother. I'll give you one more. Burglar goes into a house. Just got his flashlight. "Oh, dude, I forgot my flashlight." He's got his flashlight and he's poking his head around and he hears, "Jesus is going to get you." Shut up. "Jesus is going to get you." Shines a light, there's this parrot sitting. And he's like, "Oh, wow, that was freaky." And he looks, and he sees above the cage it says, "Moses." And he laughs. "Ah! What kind of people call their parrot Moses?" The parrot says, "The same kind of people who call their Rottweiler Jesus."